Hello, and welcome back to AF Coins World, where we explore the fascinating world of rare and valuable coins. Today, we're shining a spotlight on the enigmatic 1979 Lincoln penny, a coin that holds the potential to change lives with its extraordinary value. Minted in the year of disco and the dawn of a new decade, the 1979 Lincoln penny stands out not only for its historical significance but also for a mysterious absence, the absence of a mint mark. The mint mark, typically found on coins to signify their origin, is conspicuously missing from this particular penny. Mint marks indicate where a coin was minted, whether it be in Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco. But for the 1979 Lincoln penny, the absence of this small detail elevates its rarity to unparalleled heights. The 1979 Lincoln penny without a mint mark is the holy grail for coin collectors. It's believed that a few of these coins were minted in error, making them exceptionally rare. And rarity, as we know, is one of the key factors that determine a coin's value. Indeed, rarity is the name of the game in the world of numismatics. And when it comes to the 1979 Lincoln penny without a mint mark, rarity translates into astonishing value. While most pennies are worth a mere cent, this particular coin has been known to fetch upwards of $1 million at auction. At auctions around the world, collectors and investors alike eagerly vie for the opportunity to add this elusive coin to their collections. Its scarcity and historical significance make it a highly sought-after treasure. So, the next time you come across a penny from 1979, take a closer look. You might just be holding a fortune in the palm of your hand. Finally, this coin value is June 1st $1 million. Thank you for joining us on this journey through numismatic history. Until next time, happy collecting.